Although it won't take home any Design Excellence Award, the Soundcore Motion 300 seems to be a sturdy and well-made device that will withstand being carried to the beach for a day trip for many summers. The rectangular device is 2.2 by 7.9 by 3.9 inches in size, with gently curved edges that are smoothed out. A glossy grille with a prominent Soundcore logo is placed in front of the unit. The grille has a striking appearance and adds additional style points thanks to its assortment of color choices, which include fern green, frost blue, and mirage black. The frost blue version likewise looks fantastic, but the fern green version looks much better. The Motion 300's rubberized sides make it simple to hold in one hand in any situation, and the speaker's rubber feet on the back and bottom prevent it from slipping or toppling over. Your presses take longer to register, since the buttons are buried behind the rubberized coating. It's not at all a problem, we're talking about 1 to 2 seconds extra, and I'd much rather have this than a Bluetooth speaker that malfunctions at the first sign of a puddle. On the left side of the speaker is a convenient detachable strap that is simple to unbutton and take off as needed. A USB-C charging port is tucked away at the other end under a rubberized cover that is sealed. The rubber cover, like the rest of the Motion 300 design, fits really well and shielded the port throughout a shower listening session. Furthermore, you may immerse the Soundcore Motion 300 speaker for up to 30 minutes at a time below 1 meter thanks to its IPX7 waterproof classification. It's probably not something you want to push too far, and there's not much use for listening to music underwater. It does, however, imply that the Motion 300 will withstand falls into water, splashes from a paddling pool, or a vigorous dance session in the shower. The Motion 300's weight is impressive. At 0.77 kilograms, you can toss it in a backpack or fasten it to a strap without worrying about it weighing you down. Despite its small size, the speaker produces a loud sound. The Motion 300 is rated by Soundcore for up to 13 hours of listening at 50% volume, and without bass mode. Like any speaker, the Motion 300 will run out of power sooner if you use it at maximum volume for many hours. Though you probably won't be doing that too frequently considering how loud the Motion 300 gets, 13 hours of playback is more than plenty for a day spent with friends, whether it be at the beach, beside the pool, or somewhere else. The AAC, SBC, and interestingly LDC Bluetooth codecs provide connectivity. The Motion 300 is certified for high-res audio thanks to the integration of LDC, which also enables the speaker to stream at up to 990 kbps. The Motion 300 isn't actually designed to produce truly high-quality audio, despite its certification and general excellent quality. Although your music will sound excellent, the Motion 300 won't become an audiophile piece of gear just because it has the high-res music name. Nevertheless, LDC allows Android users to stream music in greater quality. 230-watt dynamic drivers are located under the Motion 300's front grille. The Motion 300's overall loudness has really astonished me. Even though it's small in size, it can produce a tremendous sound. Furthermore, even at higher volumes, the audio quality remains decent. The Motion 300's 65 Hz to 40 kHz frequency range contributes to its improved sound quality by allowing it to play your favorite music with enough of room. Out of the box, the Motion 300 has a tune that is substantially V-shaped. Bass and high end are stressed in the music to make it seem bright and dynamic, bringing each track to life. You would question whether the mid-range is neglected given the focus on the high end and low end, but it's really not. Individual instruments may usually be heard well, and the vocals are usually sufficiently distinct. Though it's not the largest soundstage you'll find, keep in mind that we're talking about speakers that cost $80. Not to mention that the Motion 300 EQ adjusts itself based on the location of the speaker. For instance, the bass and treble will be somewhat more prominent if the speaker is laying down, which will increase its reach. Yet, if the speaker is hanging using its detachable strap, the bass and treble will be slightly less prominent. There's an audible difference with the clever notion of the automatically changing EQ. Still, the Soundcore app offers more EQ tuning choices in addition to the ability to disable it and keep with a single EQ. The audio architecture of the Motion 300 also strikes me as impressive. Even at this close proximity, Two drivers enable the Motion 300 to produce sounds of much higher quality than one would with only one. Better audio coverage is available in almost all settings, both inside and outdoors, and it's remarkable for a speaker in this price range. As expected, there is a little difference when using LDC to play high-resolution audio, but once again, this is not an audiophile speaker. At $80 in the United States, the Soundcore Motion 300 is one of the finest Bluetooth speakers available in 2023. Soundcore has loaded the Motion 300 with features that are necessary and, most importantly, that really function. These features include a robust, small design, a decent battery, and a loud sound. It's a very nice small Bluetooth speaker, and I can see it being the ideal present for a birthday, Christmas stocking filler, or simply whenever you need a Bluetooth speaker. Alright guys, that's all from me today. I hope you found the video informative, and if you did, please give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.